Oh man, we're green. We are green right now. It's beautiful. Well, kind of yes and no. It's kind of, yeah, I did just buy. Oh yeah, by the way, I did just buy more. I bought at I bought more at 559. 559. So I actually well, so far right now we'll see how this ages, right? But right now right now I did get in finally with another 30 shares. Yeah, 30 shares. 30 shares I'm in at 559. Yeah. I lowered my cost average by like like point oh like 1, you know, barely anything. But there is really no news in the day. But we're here to stream the market close here. Hopefully we're closing green at the right now. The markets are not doing that well. The Russell's down about 1%. Nasdaq, everything's kind of down. BioNano, however, yes, it kind of just, I mean, it's been slow death. It's been slow death for us today, right? It's really just slowly people realizing that they don't believe in the company because they're idiots, and they sell because they don't think we're going to, you know what it is, okay? They think it's a dead cat bounce. That's what they think it is. And I don't think it is. I don't think it is. At the end of the day, it just depends. You guys know what I think. Okay, I'm not. Should I even do the spiel right now? Probably not. At the end of the day, we're gonna move with high growth the next few days, next few weeks, until earnings, until we get like some proven fundamental increases, like not debatable. We're gonna just move with high growth, and the fact is, high growth's been getting decimated. Speaking of decimated, what the hell's going on with MMAT today, man? Everyone was saying they were buying this yesterday. All right. We're not gonna. It would be nice if we can close up on the day. It looks like we will. We opened the day about 567, but the fact is we are back. Well, okay, it looks like we are technically above, and we're gonna close the day above this descending level. I honestly don't really care about the technicals because it just matters. If high growth goes up, we're gonna go up. If high growth goes down, we're going down. And also, what the heck? What the heck? What? Are you guys understanding this? Wait, what? This is the most shares I've ever seen on the level 2 data in a long time. I mean, probably months. This might be the highest I've seen. This is the highest I've seen in a while. 706K to be bought at 572. Woo, baby. Baby, oh man, I mean, that's beautiful right there. If it's real, right? We don't know if it's actually real. That's a freaking whale right there. That's like Mark. That's like Mark's freaking that's Mark right there. That's Mark level. Was going to buy 1 million shares. How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna buy 1 million shares. I feel I missed it. You feel you missed it? I just bought, but okay, do your own research. I can always be wrong, right? Yada yada, all the spiels. You know, you guys know the freaking financial advice spiels. Fact is, I just bought more, bitches. I just bought more. 559. It's beautiful. It's only 30. I know Mark is probably like, you bought 30 shares, Brandon. Really? Why are you messing around, Brandon? This isn't funny. I'm serious. Because these are just pennies to him, right? Mark literally just looks at this shit and he's like, that's funny. But what do you mean you feel like you missed it? You missed the opportunity? You missed the opportunity to add? We're still getting killed. We're still getting killed. I mean, even though we're green today, 1% of green, I mean, just look at the chart. We've gotten absolutely annihilated. And the fact is, if earnings is good, if earnings is 3.5 or even like 3.7 to 4 million or higher, you're never going to see these prices again, most likely. I mean, even if the markets were to correct, I don't think you will. No, I think if we get 4 million in revenue, we're going to $8, and we're not going to ever come back down to 5. That's a simple. I think that's essentially very likely, and I'm not really scared of making that prediction. If we do get earnings, that is, if we do get a nice beat of like $500,000 beat or even $300,000 beat, we're going up 20% or 10% easily. There's an extreme. I want to say 99% chance, but I mean, I'll just say there's a very high chance. Just look at the last earnings reports. We beat both in the last 2 earnings reports by a couple 100,000 each. We didn't even get an EPS beat on one of them, and we didn't even get. I mean, we got good news. We didn't get crazy news as far as catalysts to look forward to. We didn't get crazy news, and even if we did, the reality is most people don't even understand it, so they wouldn't even price it in. But what do you call it? What was I talking about? Mark, wait, okay. Okay, Brandon, I have an order in for 1 million for 100,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, my eyes don't work. 100,000 shares of CIDM. I think I can cancel by BNGO. What is your call? Oh man, I can't make that call for you, Mark. Okay, Mark. It's your call, man. It's your call, my friend. CIDM. What the hell is CIDM? Cinedigm. Whoo! You're buying on a day like this when you're up 40%? Distribution of rights to thousands of titles and episodes released across digital. So they do digital cinema assets. Okay, interesting. Movie screens. Okay. Interesting. Well, that's certainly a unique one. Certainly a unique profile there. Mark, I'll say this, Mark. I know the banker he hikes with me. I'll say this. Mark, you do whatever you want. I'll say this though. I'm not trying to be a salesman. I'm not trying to pump BNGO. I'll just say, what the hell's going on? Does anyone know what's going on with this freaking order? Or if this is real? What is going on here? We got whales in the freaking level 2 data today on trading today. But man, anyways, with Mark, my friend Mark. Mark, I'll tell you this. If the fact is, and I know you've probably heard this before, and you probably, at the end of the day, it's your call. I can't tell you anything you don't that's like gonna freaking blow, have like be a huge groundbreaking news for you. But what I'll say is that if earnings is good, if earnings is what it should be, like I'll say this, I think there's higher than a 70% chance that we get more than 3.5 million. More than a 7. I think there's a 70% chance. This is rough numbers. I'll probably think about it a little bit more and tell you exact numbers before earnings. But I think that right now I'll just tell you, I think there's like a greater than a 70% chance that we hit some number that's higher than this, right? That's higher than this. I think there's, or just think of it this way. I think there's a 70% chance that we get higher than that. That's what I'm thinking. And it's hard projecting earnings. I have been right on my last 2 earnings projections. Call them luck, call them everyone's a genius in a bull market, whatever. The fact is, I've got solid evidence backing me up. I've got solid evidence, and several bears have tried to give their arguments as to why they think most of these orders are backlogged or they're not actual sales in Q2, and pretty much none of them have held up from my perspective at least, because we already know. Even if you want to make, I'm not even going to go into it because we did last time and I lost all my viewers. These are confirmed sales essentially. We already know about 5 confirmed sales that happened. They are going to count towards Q2 sales. We've got way more installations. Consumable revenue is essentially guaranteed to increase year over year and quarterly. Subsequently, yes. So, you want me to cover CIDM? It will bring you users, must broaden your coverage. I know. I do need to. So the earnings is going to be mid-August, my friends. Yes. I'm the BNGO guy, man. Do what you want, but by BNGO, at least we are unbiased here. It's your decision. It's your decision, Newsly. But I think that we have gone down a lot for no reason. You guys know we got the peer-to-peer reviewed. We got the peer-reviewed studies coming out. Those validated everything that we said about the Sapphire that we claimed. It's looking. I think. I'm feeling good about the company right now. I'm feeling great, especially after the CEO talking. He said we're not getting another offering. He said Sapphire 2.0. He gave us more information there. It looks like it's going great. He said the milestones are on track. Nanonozzle evidence was kind of there, kind of not. He looked like he was hiding something. Okay, that we're speculating at this point. But at the end of the day, the amount that we have dropped, the news does not justify that. And high growth going down does not even justify, because guess what? We've underperformed. Today is one of the first days that we have outperformed Microvision and Nano Dimension. One of the first days. And that tells you that we were auspicious. That's why I know I've been saying it for a while, but that's like one of the biggest reasons why, and that's one reason why I bought the dip right here, right? I bought the dip at 559. I bought 30 shares. If anyone's just getting in it right now, bought 30 shares at 559. That's right. I timed the dip pretty much perfectly right now, right? We'll see how this ages. We'll see if we're red tomorrow, right? But yeah, I did buy. Here's your proof right here. You guys know I don't just say stuff without backing up. You guys know I'm a man of my word. That's like my most on this channel. That's okay. I'm not even gonna do the rant. It's just boring. I'll lose viewers. I'll lose even more viewers than we already have. Right? 559 is my limit price though. They're 30 shares in. Boom, boom, baby. There's some carnage for you. 578 right now. Why not half and half? You have a target on your back by hedgies. Got to throw them off the trail. Smoke some weed, then think about it. Remember how much the sapphire shines. 40% BNGO, 40% NEO since $5. That's diversification. In your list of adoptions, you mentioned Luaven. Well, it is Luaven. I live 40 minutes from Luaven. Okay. Yes, UZ Luaven. Yes. Yeah, these guys right here. Because to my understanding, I did a couple searches in this example. I did a fair amount of searches, and I found that there was no prior press release of these guys announcing that they had a sapphire. There was zero of that. And that makes me think that, well, if they've been using a sapphire for several quarters and have not even, it's very unlikely that they've had a sapphire for quarters and not released anything on it until now. No, it's more likely that they just got a sapphire, and that's why they actually did this freaking assay here that they're implementing, that they've already implemented. So, and that's kind of the basis of all these. It's not 100% confirmed. Some of them are, right? 5 of them are. Okay, 5 out of 13 of them are legit. You cannot freaking contend with them. This one, the WeHealth, the Wickham's, and then these 3 China sapphire adoptions right there. You cannot. Those are for sure. Hundreds of thousands. That's like $1 million, right? That's like, what is that? That's like $1.5 million right there. Okay, boom. I'm serious. I mean, look at this. You add these up, you get 900,000. Then you get this one in. Okay, you're getting over $1 million. Then you add this one, you're getting 1,100,000 at least, right? And that's okay. This is a strategic partnership. That's probably several sales, in my opinion, or at the very least, several rental agreements. All right, and remember, Wickham's, those are the guys that are going to be presenting to everybody. And that's the one. And remember, do you guys remember the Wickham's adoption? That one was fucking huge. That one was awesome, man. That one, and I think that's one of the biggest, that's probably the most slept on news piece that we've got over the last few weeks. And I say that because they are literally, and they say it, we can go over the article right now. You want to go over the article right now? Half of you probably don't even know what I'm talking about when I say Wickham's, right? So if we let it translate here for a second. Translate. I'm so glad it automatically translates. Here we go. Okay. So, come on, translate. If we go down here, they're going to be literally... Okay, I found it already. I actually found it quickly. So, Wickham's actively cooperates with the academic content institutions such as boom, 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 boom. Major academic conferences on the subject. Okay, listen here. This is actually really big. On the subject they're talking to and they're presenting on structural variation detection. And guess what they're going to be doing? They are inviting and organizing lectures to help clinicians update their knowledge and technology. Now, you may be wondering, Brandon, what you're about to point out something obvious that I'm missing. Guys, they just switched to Sapphire in structural variation detection, and now they're going to do what they do, which is help other people in the field, which is the clinicians and all these people, these major academic conferences, Shanghai Genetic Society. They're telling them how they might want to update their knowledge, quote, and technology and help improve the level of clinical diagnosis and treatment, ultimately benefit patients through the Sapphire. Okay, it doesn't get more explicit than that. That literally says outright that they are essentially going to be acting as unofficial and kind of unintentional salesman for us. Simple as it gets. There's no other way. That is no one else on YouTube. No one else. I bet no one even. I don't know. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not even gonna do the rant. It's good news. Fake news? What are you talking about? Fake news? This is not fake news. I'm pretty sure this was confirmed by the C-suite. Yeah. You know what? Here. You know what? Well, I can text my friend right now and ask if it was. But Brennan, are you there? Brennan. Look, losers that use and hide behind your IDs, you better figure out how to see truth or else you will never make it in the market. Brandon, would you say today was the bottom? I've been saying the bottom. I've been saying it was the bottom for weeks straight. Literally. Holy crap. All right, I got to keep on the price action. We got 9 minutes. Hold on. I'll answer that question in a second. But But dude, look at this, 1 million shares to be bought at 578 essentially. Woo, baby, that's beautiful. That's beauty, man. I mean, that I hope it's real. I hope it's real. We just broke the previous high there, up about 1% right now, which sounds horrible because we were saying, we were up like 7% at highs today. But at the end of the day, we did, and we're gonna get. I think. I hope we will a close above the descending level. We had a couple perfect validations, and this could be the bottom. I think it definitely could be. At the end of the day, it mostly depends on two things: high growth and earnings. So it's hard to say whether it's the bottom, but the fact of the matter is, we bounced off the 200-day exponential moving average. That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Now, I would have wished if we could close the day above $6 or at least $5.80, which it looks like we're going to close the day, somewhere in that realm. Hopefully, right now we're at $5.82 with 8 minutes left till the close. Earnings is mid-August. Mid-August, my friends. I'm getting mad that I've said that so many times. No, that's fine, though. I understand that everybody sees it. 700K share. Is it fake? Yeah, is this a fake? Whoa, that's the question. Oh, yep. Just like that, right? Do you guys see that? It's gone now. Do you see? It just disappeared. Somebody just canceled it. Oh, man. That's sad. That's sad. They just canceled it. AMC running. I know it is. I feel happy for the AMC people. I'm rooting for the AMC people. I don't think we are going to go much lower than today. I don't think we are. Stuck in traffic, how are we doing? So we're up 1%. We're up like 1.5% right now at about 581. I added 30 shares today at 559. And our price is now 584. Okay, we're getting some sporadic movement a little bit. We're getting a little bit. Oh, baby. Whale alert. Whale alert. Everybody, 582. 350,000 to be bought. Holy shite. Holy crap. The institutions are getting their head out of their arse. Slowly but surely. We're up almost 2%. We're up essentially 2% right now. Holy crap. I hope that's real. I don't think it is, but I want to believe that that's real. Look at that. Did some of that just get filled? Oh, I think just some of that just got filled. Yeah, look at that. This might be a real wall. We just had 11,000. That was at 583, though. Yeah, that wasn't the same order. Look at that. It's adding. It's adding. That's insanity. Shorts have lots of time to play. I would say that they will move us this lower, sadly, and I will hold. You think we're going lower, Newsweed? Whatever happens, I'm diamond handing it. I'll be here. If we go lower, I'm here for you guys. I told you I'm going down with the ship if we go, and I meant it. At the end of the day, I cannot. It's not. I don't have it in my DNA to give up or even become more bearish on a company or even less bullish on a company that just gets fundamentally better. Yet its sector and the markets drag it down. I mean, it's in everyone's DNA that's been in the market for more than a year to realize that, hey, this is auspicious because the company's getting better while the stock price is going down because of the market. It's like, let's put the pieces together here. Let's connect the dots. Yeah, maybe this is not a bad time to buy. That's just me. That's just my opinion, man. Make your own opinions, right? I mean, make your own opinions. I don't know how long it's going to take till we hit $100 or $500K. I'm not going to claim to you I know what's going to happen for sure. Okay, I've been wrong I've been wrong left and right. Okay, since this whole month, the last 15 days, I've been freaking wrong left and right. Some bear punks playing with us just as long as Mama Bear know I eat cubs for dinner. It's funny, I wish the bulls and bears, I wish the people who want the stocks, who actually wanted the stock to go up, were actually bears and got assigned the animal a bear instead of a bull. Because if you guys seen bears fight, I saw a tiger against a bear, a full-grown freaking tiger against a freaking baby bear. The bear was bloody as hell, freaking snout and nose like ripped off, bloody everywhere. But still, the freaking tiger ran away, man. Those bears are freaking vicious as hell. That's totally off topic. Let's get back to the stocks here. Sorry. If I would have kept up with BNGO news and not looked at this stock price for the last 3 months, I would think that we'd be at $20. Not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I'm penning that. That's exactly right. Same exact thing here, my friend. Cody Britt. Oh man, that's genius. All right, let me ask you this, guys. If you let's pretend hypothetically you didn't know about the stop price action. Let's just scribble that out. If I told you on this, if I told you on this day right here when we were at $9.12, right at that moment, that we would have a peer-reviewed study that we would have the CEO saying we're not getting an offering, that we would have a strategic partnership with Wickham's to buy more Sapphire shares, or not Sapphire shares, to buy Sapphires. Strategic partnership. If you also would have looked at what we just went over, where is it? Oh, come on. Don't tell me I can't find it now. Here, right here. Yes, right here. If you would have read this paragraph that I just went over, that's fucking huge. That's huge. There's no other way to say it. That is huge. That's absolutely huge. If I would have told you and you would have known about the other freaking 13 Sapphire options, 1 million, you heard that correct, $1 million, over $1 million that we already know about in sales for the quarter. All right, some of the consumables are priced in, whatever. Okay, whatever you want to call them, $1 million already we know about it in sales. That's more than any other quarter ever in the history of BNGO. I promise you. That's more ever in the history before an earnings that you know about in revenue. Guarantee. Okay, if I would have told you this, you would have thought, oh my God, we're at freaking $15. It's time. We're at the short squeeze happened. Brandon was a genius. Nope. $5 a share, baby. $5.84. That's where we're at. Do you know why? Because high growth has gotten decimated. Shorts have absolutely fucking pounced on us. And no one gives a shit about the news. No one understands it. It's too esoteric and the jargon is too... There's too much of it. It's too plentiful. It's too abundant. Simple as it gets. Simple as it gets, man. If I would have told you on freaking the 1st of June or the 1st of July, whatever, that we would have a strategic partnership with Wickham's, the CEO confirming that there's no offerings coming, and all of these adoptions here, and the peer-reviewed study, and all the crazy, the very high amount of things that I'm not mentioning right now that we've got in forms of catalysts in the last 2 weeks alone, you would think we're at $10 a share easily, right? If not 15. If not 15 or 20, man. That's true. Do you guys agree with me on that? That's just as simple as it gets right there. Up about 2.5% almost right now, 586. That's beautiful, baby. Just broke the previous high. Woo, baby. Okay, we have Brandon as a PR manager for BNGO. It would get spicy if that were the case. It would get spicy. First PR, nano nozzle confirmed. Exactly, man. That's exactly what I would do. Exactly what I would do. Nano nozzle, baby. I would just say, no, this is what I would say. I would say investors. I would say Simon Barnett isn't. No, I would just say this. I would just tweet Simon Barnett is an idiot. Jake Orber, yeah, I know it's back. It's back. What the hell? What is this? I don't understand. The whales are playing with us again, but this is not how they normally play with us. We haven't even talked about this in forever. My OGs know what's up, though, because they always know. Usually, they do a couple walls on each side, right? Usually, you see something like this. 1 minute till the close, by the way. I'm not going to miss the opening. Usually, you see, like, the yellow or walls. You see something like this, you know? 10K shares, 20K shares. Today, we got 700K shares, 700,000, about a million. Actually, 1,400,000 in total from... in the spread here, which is $5 to $5.84. Okay, I don't know what's going on today, but the whales are out. The whales are out. That's what's going on, right? I don't know if this is just totally they're just messing with us, or they're about to actually like have an order go through here. But this is not normal. That's what we know for sure. And also, what's up with this? They're all on the buying side, right? 200K share BIOL at 569. At 582, you're getting an 800,000 share BIOL. Like, what the hell is going on? I don't know. I think the hedge funds are not happy about the previous stop movements that they missed out on. I think that the hedgies want control. It was hedge funds driving the price down, not your regular shorts. Well, I guess, I mean, I don't know. It would make sense if that was the case, but the fact is, I mean, at least to my understanding, Mark, you probably know more than I do maybe on this, but, oh, there's the close, but we don't know for sure because there hasn't been that many short hedge positions actually disclosing short positions. But, of course, that's going to be delayed. And we have selling at the close. And it looks like we're closing at 584. Okay, good. We closed at 584 on the day. Oh, and we're up after hours at 587. What the heck? What the heck? We got selling at the close, and now we're up after hours already 0.5%. Okay, that's beautiful. Oh, and now we're back down. Here comes the after hours sorcery. Let's see how many shares were sold here. Oh, wow. Okay, that's kind of ugly. All right, let's see. 50,000-ish. 100,000. My math is bad. My math is very, very, very bad. Yeah, about, I don't know, 200,000-ish, maybe 150-ish, something like that. Oh, 250. Okay, sure. All right, guys. What's our volume for today? Our volume for the day, you should know the answer to that. It's shite. It's absolute dog crap. There's no other way to put it. We're at 12 million a day. That's actually better Believe it or not, I feel it saddens my heart to say this, but our volume on the day is actually better than what we've been getting the last few weeks. But still, it's absolutely horrible. I mean, our 3-month average is rapidly going down. Our 3-month average is 23 million. It's absolutely horrible. It's horrible. There's no other way to say it. It's laughable. It's embarrassing. That's what it is. Robbie was just seen at a Sapphire lab to get his genes sequenced for structural variations due to erectile dysfunction. Please wish him well and sooner recovery. my friend, you gotta pin that on the. You gotta say that in the Discord, and I'll pin that. I'll pin that to the. I'll make it a pinned messages. There's so many legendary pinned comments here. Do you guys remember this? Robbie Smith, BNGO, you're gonna hit 210 by July 20th. It's almost July 20th right now. And we're nowhere close to 10. We're nowhere close to it. But yeah, to recap the day, our news, we didn't really get any news today at all. We didn't get any news at all today. The short interest is up on the day. BioNano went ahead and did their typical marketing thing. They said some stuff about highly mosaic. Okay, I don't even understand this. Okay, detect a highly mosaic range of expansions in a single post-mortem brain sample from an ALS patient. No other technology has been capable of spanning and measuring these large repeat expansions. The problem is this thing is like from forever ago. I mean, this could be from years ago, hell, or it could be new technically, but it's just there's no date here. But this is just it just takes us to their website. So their website has progressively got more. Have you guys noticed that they keep updating their website to include more stuff, and more? They just keep making it look more beautiful, which is awesome. So, all right. All right, yeah, but to sum up the day, I mean, why is this green? I swear to God, this was just red. Am I going crazy? I thought that was red. We had selling at the close. That should be red. Why is that green? Oh, no. Now we're down after hours. Oh, no. Here it comes. After hours sorcery. Oh, going up and down, just left and right on after hours. Yeah, all right, though. Right. Yeah, but there's not really any news today. Yeah, let's go ahead and take some questions here. Let's get out of here. Doge Wolf bought and switched bullish today for all my Weibo traders. Oh, wait, what? Are you serious? Doge Wolf switched to being bullish? Shows your portfolio? Sure. There's my portfolio. And what do you call it? I did just buy 559. I did the title of the stream is I just bought more. Yeah, I did just buy more. I only bought 30 shares. I know it's laughable. Yeah, whatever. Okay. For me, that's what I'm dealing with. 559. That's your price. That's your average price. Or that is the price, not the average. I guess it is the average technically. Whatever. At least cover all genomic stocks so your channel stays great. I will hold my BNGO but need total view. Pretty worried about the new competition that just got 300 funding mil. Was that, tell me the company that got that, because I think I know who that was, but I don't remember exactly the news that everyone was freaking out about, Pat Bio's news. So Doge just bought, huh? Doge just bought. Wow. Interesting. Doge just bought. That's crazy. No way. I'm going to have to see that to believe that. So yeah, I guess all those 800K orders were all fake, I guess. Good evening, Vietnam. They're out of a Duke University funded by UK from a pharma firm. My friend Mark, Doge Wolf bought BNGO. How many shares did Doge buy? Somebody tell me. Agree with Newsweek on making sure we keep eyes on the sector. Yes, I want to keep my eyes on the sector. I do. I try to keep up with the competition, but to be honest with you, I usually just get sucked into BNGO, to be honest with you. But here's a reason why I'm not worried about any competition taking over BNGO stuff, right? At least in the US, even if somebody, hypothetically, if somebody were to find out the secret of the nano channels, which no one is even close to, according to our CEO, right? Nabsies is the closest, and they have no fucking. They're not even in the same realm as we are, right? According to the CEO, I don't remember. I don't quote me on this. Don't quote me on this, but I believe the word. They're not even. It'll take them 10 years to get even anywhere. Even 10 years from now, they won't be doing anything that we can do now. Essentially, something like that. Don't quote me on that, but something like that was said. So yeah, Napsies has no chance, and that they're our, people get scared of them all the time, I get people, all of the new people that come into BNGO, they're like, Brandon, Napsies is direct competition, I'm scared of this. No, they're not. I mean, they are, but they just don't do anything. They don't have a chance. Also, so yeah. Anyways, the price is 5.8 and it's green. So weird. Such a weird feeling. Yeah, I know. Do they sell sapphires only over BioNano, or do they have sell providers? Found one in Germany, I guess. I'm pretty sure they only sell them through themselves. They do have business managers that go out and like do it for them, but I don't think they have sell providers. I don't know. Found one in Germany, I guess. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure on that. I don't think so. If they do, it's not that many of them. Doge Wolf bought. That's pretty insane. That's pretty insane. Doge Wolf finally bought. Okay, I sent you a Reddit. Okay. Here. On a chat? Where? Yeah, send me it. Up in the after hours slightly, about 585. Closed the day at 584. We're up, 2% of the day? Barely up 2%. And what's so beautiful about today is this. Right, these two crappy companies right here. I actually don't have anything against either of these. I actually like both of these long term. Essentially, yeah, I do both. Overall, I do like both of them long term a little bit at least. Anyways, we're outperforming on the day. Okay, I mean, and it's not in a small way either. We're up 2% while they're both down 0.5%. That's beautiful. There's no other way to call it. That's beauty right there. All right. Okay, here we go. Let's check it out. Thank you so much for being ready to send me the link. I appreciate that. I always love other people doing as much research as I am. Translate that, please. Yes. Come on. Okay. BioNano genotyping test kit. Okay, so you're telling me you can buy this from this other company. medicalexpo.de here. Medical Expo. It looks like a very legit place here, maybe, hopefully. Can you translate this, please? Translate. Always translate that shit. Okay. Bro, why is that not translated? Wow, okay, so they can... Oh, you got to fill out all this stuff. I can't fill out that stuff with you guys watching. All right, let's go back here. They don't have a chance. Always. Okay. Interesting. It's only the genotyping test kit? What the hell? This doesn't even look like one of our products. What is this? Whatever, I'm losing viewers at this point. Should we even take a look at this? Application for genotyping for DNA molecular. I feel like this is not legit. Do you know about... Why can I not click on these things? I'm starting not to trust this website now. Let's see if there's any other products that they have for BNGO. I bet they don't. I bet that's the only one. Yep. There's nothing else that we can find here. Okay, I feel like now we're shopping. Now we're shopping. This is a stock channel, not a shopping channel. Definitely not for genetic, whatever the hell. Is it a consumable? It could be a consumable, but I don't know. It's genotyping test kits, so I don't know. I don't know. But thank you for telling us about that. Do you know any other information, my friend? Who said that? Standard, looks like. It's from China, like my fake Air Max 90s. What is that $99 kit that you can buy? Was that $99? I don't think it was. It didn't say how much it was. Are you just comparing it by that? I don't think... Whatever. Let's not waste any more time on that. I don't think that's anything to be worried about or even pay much attention to be honest with you. I'll tell you what. I can ask Brendan to see if we're doing that. I don't think so, though. I don't think so. No, just found it now. Okay, yeah. I don't think that's I'd be surprised. I don't think BioNano. If that, let's say, if this is legit, it's what it is. I'll tell you what it is. Most likely, I think what it is going to be. You put in all your information, and I've done this before on BNGO's website because I try to know as much as I can about the company. You put in all your stuff, and then what you get is an email that you actually have to tell them what your deal is, and then they'll hit you back, and they're like, okay, they have to tell if you're actually legit because it's such a big purchase. They're actually one-on-one with everybody, essentially, to my understanding. Now, I haven't actually went through the whole process of buying a Sapphire, obviously, but I've clicked through a couple times. I think that's what you're doing. So I don't think you can actually just order one. Put in your card number, just order one that comes to your freaking door. No, you actually have to get an email. You have to actually exchange emails and tell them what's going on, and then I don't know what happens after that, but I mean we can assume, right? It's not that hard to figure out, and not that hard, right? So legit phishing. Look at Google Trends on BNG last 30 days. All right, sure, I will, absolutely. Let's go to the interest here. So if we look at BNGO as a search term, and this is of course not a absolute indicator, right? But if we look at the last 30 days, I want to go last. The past year is my favorite thing actually. So we've actually gone up since June 4th. That's interesting. The stock price has only gone down. Interesting. Let's go last 30 days, like you're saying. Not seeing what you're seeing that's weird about that, to be honest with you, my friend. Come on. Come on. I want to see how high it was. Whatever. BioNano has resellers all over the world. Do we? I'm not sure if we do. I don't know if we do. Yeah, just check it after screen. Yeah. Yeah. There is Sapphire and more. Interesting. I don't know. All right, I tell you what. I'll ask Brennan. If we have. Hold on. I'm gonna enter the matrix real quick. I'm entering the matrix. All right, let me send him a text real quick so I don't forget. I don't know if we have resellers. More like do we have what did the person call it before? I don't even know how to explain it. Do we have cell providers? Other providers, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, all right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. If there's any last minute questions, I'll take them. But on eBay, you can get an Iris for 10K. For 10K? Holy shit. Distributors. Yeah, sure. Distributors. That's a better word. Yeah. Distributors. Do we have those? Yeah. I have bought one. It's sitting in my dining room. No, you haven't. Jake, no, you haven't, my friend. Oh, man. That's too funny. Yeah, but we're up after hours here, up about 0.5%. It's just barcode. I mean, it's just, you know how after hours is, okay? It's just manipulation. And you guys know it's manipulation because for a couple reasons. It's not natural price action. And also, if you put an order in, I learned it, and I already knew this, but I learned it the hard way yesterday because I tried to buy shares right here, this line right here. And it came down to that level 3 times and my order didn't get filled. And I also had an order right here that didn't get filled. The price action's not normal. And good luck getting. And there's not much liquidity in the after hours. That's just a fact. But also with BNGO, it's peculiarly less, I think, because it's not that hard to get your after hours orders filled on with Webull. It's not hard at all. It's actually amazing that you can actually trade in after hours. It's actually beautiful. But it went up. So does that mean it plummets tomorrow? I don't think so. I know I've said at the end of the day, I've said this before as well. I know I'm just a broken record, but for the price, are we going to go up or down the next few days? High growth and earnings. That's what it's going to be. But in my opinion, you guys know what I think. Hey, from the technical standpoint, we're due for a huge correction in the upwards direction. And from a fundamental perspective, we're due for a fucking insane bounce to fucking $8. There's no other way to say it. Simple as it gets. So, and yeah. How many shares short? That's a good question. Let's see if we have a new update here. Looks like you're looking at about 22% of the float. 22% of the flow according to Ortex data here. And let me see if there's if we finally, it's about the time that we get official NASDAQ data here. Did we already get it? Yes, we did. Okay, yes. So it did confirm that it was about 52 million. Okay, yes. Look at that increase. 36% increase in the short interest from the last publication to the one that was 3 days ago. And now we're looking at already increasing from 52 million according to Ortex back up to 60. Earnings is mid-August. Firing up eBay now. Fake OGM machine incoming. Trends, the strange thing is the huge swing in interest. One day it's 100, another day 7. Well, yeah, but I'm pretty sure that's normal. I'm pretty sure that's what happens every 90-day span. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, 7, 18, 100. Yeah, but I don't know. It is weird. At the end of the day, what we care about, what we need to change, and I've kind of given up on this, but what we need is the interest of BNGO to go way up. We need retail to understand that there is something special here, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and this is a once-in-a-lifetime company, because no one else in the world has optical genome mapping developed as much as we do. We're the only ones. We're the only ones with it. We're the only ones with the nanopores, adding the nanochannels, and the sequencing capabilities with that. Only one. Simple as it gets. We have something special, and it's an opportunity. There's risk, sure, but the fact is, this company is going to have a chance to make a lot of people and turn a lot of people into millionaires, quite frankly. And I know that's like, oh, Brandon, wow, you're pumping now. You're really pumping now, buddy. We got one green day. Calm down, right? That's what some people are probably thinking right now. But the fact is, it doesn't. I don't give a shit what happens with the price short term. The fact is, the company is getting better. The company's getting sales. The company has an opportunity to revolutionize healthcare through a ton of different things. Through better diagnosis, through researching things, through gene editing, through finding better enhancements to drugs, chemotherapeutic drugs, right? We got a freaking NHS thing a while ago, back in freaking quarter one. Back in quarter one, we got that. So, wonder how many hires they intend to do. They keep rolling in. Yes, and I've noticed something, and I'm sure you guys know about this before. There's this really, I don't know if it's a glitch. I don't know if it's them doing it, but with the job results, we had 34 job results a week ago, and now we only have 27. So I don't know if they're actually hiring these people or not. But if you go to, here, let's see if I can actually find out here. They have 166 employees right now on LinkedIn. And that is going to be, if we go to home, I think it says it was about 32%. Okay, so this was 32% headcount growth last I checked. Now it's 35%. So we're looking at about almost 166 employees right now on LinkedIn. And are they just going to continue hiring people? I don't know, man, but it's interesting. There's certainly mysteries going on. Branding company's doing great. Analysts know it. Yeah, they do. Yeah. Where's the hoodie? What? You wanted? I have the shirt on right now. I have the shirt on right now. We're gonna talk about the end here. I think if you want, if you guys want, we can. All these people in the lab, they are going to need a second building. Yeah, they will. But you do have to remember some of these employees. Only like 10 or 20 of them max. They are actually regional business managers for Texas, China, Midwest, Southeast. I think there's a couple in there or something like that. So they're doing most of their work and, this diplomacy type, international sales sort of thing. So, but they're going to, they do. And I don't know how big their building is. Mark could talk more about that. But yeah, maybe they're already building a second building. I don't know. I wish they were not as secretive. All these people in the lab, my price target is $75. Newsweek Mark price target is $75. What's your time frame there? I think shorts will add more, but with good earnings and guidance, more investors should also go into the stock. As long as investors hold, stock should go up. Hell yeah. When Jay is bullish, that's a good thing. Millionaires, what's your time scale on that thought, Brandon? Well, my time scale on that is, it depends on how much money you have on it. That's what it depends on, right? If you have a couple shares, you're never going to become a millionaire, regardless of if we go to freaking $100 a share. It's not going to happen. You have to have a couple thousand shares if you want to, at least, right? If not 10,000, if you want to become a millionaire on this shit. But I would say for people like me that's trying to get anywhere from 5 to 10 to 15, maybe 20,000 shares. Before we start taking off, if we're right, of course, this is all hypothetical speculation, of course. But if you really do want to become a millionaire, you need like 5,000 shares. If you want to, it depends. Do you want to make $1 million from this investment, or do you want to become a millionaire with it? It's like, I don't know. There's so many contingencies, but if you want, let's just put it this way: if you want to make a lot of money, you need a lot of shares. You need a lot of shares. You need way more than I have right now, and way more than a lot of you have. All right. The implied volatility on the options are the lowest they've ever been. Really? Let's see. I don't know about that. These ones are very high. These ones are expiring really soon, though. These ones seem pretty normal to me. Isn't this usually what they're at? About 100 to 120%? Isn't that what they usually are? I don't know. Don't forget taxes. Yeah, yeah. Yep, that's true. Where could I find the hoodie? Do you have a website that sells them something? We're gonna talk about the hoodie at the very end here. After everybody is gone, that has something better to do. Then we're gonna talk about if you want to buy a shirt for me, because I want to do it at the very end so no one can complain. All right, they have an opening for mechanical engineering. Should I apply? Yes, you should apply. Be our insider, my friend. Give me some inside information, though. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I do not have inside information. Sometimes I wish I did. 11K, I'll be a millionaire in 2.5 years at least. You have 11,000 shares? It just depends on what the future holds. It depends on what happens, obviously. Minus $70, and I think we'll get there in 2023. $70 price target 2023. I can see that. I can absolutely see that. Quarter two earnings is mid-August. Yeah, they haven't announced the official date yet. It's mid-August. They lease and have both floors of their current building. They can lease another in the complex. Interesting. Okay. $250 and I'll be a millionaire. I'm applying, lol. All right, man. All right, if there's not any other questions, let's go ahead and end it here. I'm going to talk about the shirt I'm wearing here, the beautiful shirt we're wearing. Then you can actually read it right there. So, yeah. That's too worried for $70. Won't have enough revenue to justify the price. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see, Jay. We'll see. Take a 10-year, 100K bank loan out if you're really confident and you'll be a millionaire before the end of the loan. Not financial advice, but did stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night. Cool shirt, Brandon. Oh, thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. All right, with that being said, thank y'all so much, man. All right, let's go ahead and talk about the merch here. Let's do it. I am excited. I've been waiting for this day for literally months because it's been so long. I finally got it. Oh, I already have it pulled up right here. What am I talking about? Yeah, so this is it. This is it. And the link for that should be in. Let me double check real quick, make sure the link works. Okay. Yes, it works. Let me make sure it load. Yeah. So the link is in the description right there. Yeah. And I'll go ahead and put the link in here as well in the chat right now. That is the link to it. And that is going to be, there's basically any color you want, any size you want. If you're worried about the materials, I don't know them off the top of my head. I can look them up for you right now if anyone's like allergic to something. I've had that problem before, but that's pretty much what it is. Yeah, feel free to click off, right? Feel free to click off if anyone's I forgot to say that. I'm stupid. Feel free to click off right now. This is about these shirts right now. And yes, I am wearing the shirt right now. Yes. Here, let me go ahead and give you a good view of this. Let me go ahead and give you a good view of the shirt here so you actually read it. Yeah, let me just take my phone. Let me just do this. Okay, here we go. It's the exact here. You know what? Let me go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and do this. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get a close up in here. There we go, baby. There we go. Beautiful. Here, let me go ahead and turn the light up real quick. There. Oh yes, yes. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yep. There it is. Fellowship of the Sapphire. All right. I think you get the point. I think we get the point, Brandon, right? So yeah, that's what we're looking at, man. I think it comes in a hoodie. It's got hoodie, long sleeve. It's got pretty much everything. Hoodie, shirt. Go ahead and take this down before I forget. It's got, let's see. Let's just go to the Auspicious store here. Yeah, it's got, okay. It's got everything. There's some other designs in there as well. It's got, yeah, okay, so we got long sleeve, classic pullover hoodie, classic tee, long sleeve. I mean, you got, these are the same. Why is there two of these? Why do I have two of these in here? Oh, man. But yeah, that's what we have, man. Yeah, and and this is it right here. Obviously, okay, this is it. And I can confirm, yeah, it prints perfectly. And if you want a better idea of what it looks like, here, let me give you a better idea of what it looks like so there's actually, like, perfect quality of what it looks like. Here it is. This is the exact image that it is. This is it right here. That's the exact image that is actually on the shirt. And it's Lord of the Rings. It's Fellowship of the Ring. Hopefully you've watched Lord of the Rings. Otherwise you won't get it, right? These are the chips that we sell, the consumables, and then this is the sapphire. Obviously you guys know this, but yeah, it's Lord of the Rings. That's what it is. I don't know why I'm rambling on at this point. T-shirt 100% cotton. Hopefully it survives. Washes the hoodie Ross. Well, I have it right now. I've washed. I don't want to be like salesman like. Hey, I tried to do this at the very end here, so I was like why do I have that? Yeah, let me go ahead and fix the. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's better. It was reversed there for a second, I think. But I have washed. I have had these hoodies here. Do you want me to get the hoodie here? I can get the hoodie real quick here. I also have the other stuff. Hold on one sec. I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm gonna run and grab the other shirts that I have. There you go, baby. It's freaking beautiful. This is the other one. This is the this one right here, right? Beautiful. This one's went through washes. I have the what do you call it? I have the other ones as well. Here, let me sit down here. Yeah, and then I have not. The only one that I have not actually gotten is this one, just because they can't print. I mean, what is there? I'm not really worried about them printing this wrong, just because I mean, look at it. Okay, it's the most simple design ever, and they've been perfect on. They've been. I mean, perfect on printing everything. I mean, this is a pretty hard design, right? And they printed it absolutely beautifully. So yeah, all right. With that being said, I don't know. Are they 100% cotton? I don't remember the exact materials of all of them. It's not going to work, is it? Dang it, I forgot what you had to look up to find it. Okay, here you go. Yes. Did they have it on each one? Hold on. Here you go. All right, here you go. Sorry, I'm stupid. There you go. Poly cotton blend. Boom. Regular fit, kangaroo product, unisex. Okay, simple as it gets. Boom. Yeah. Can I get the bonus sweatbands? And is it bulletproof, right? I don't really understand the joke there, but that's funny. But can check tag later. Should say. But yeah. Well, here. I'll go back here. Let me go back here. It'll say right here. Yeah. Okay. I just figured this out. Sorry, I should be more prepared for this. I was not prepared for this. Here you go. Product details. So it's a polyester and cotton blend. Looks like. Yeah. So it should be good. I don't know the exact percentage proportions. I don't know why people want to know that unless they're allergic or something. Even then, it's I don't understand. But that's what we're looking at. Hey, you guys do you. You guys, whatever, man. All right. Can you make a hoodie in latex? Asking for a friend. Hold on. I don't know. Robbie results just came out from Sapphire sequencing, and that he is now airlifted to Bone Tuck National Park for getting his diamond balls implants. Wish him well and early recovery. Cinema BNGO, BNGPO shirt. Can we get its genome mapped? We need complete details. What detergent are you recommending for color retention? I can't tell if you're joking. If you're joking, that's funny. If you're serious, I don't know. Uh, could Sapphire do a paternity test? I don't think so. We analyze. Why is this still higher? No, it's not. The sun just came in. That's why. Never mind. What the hell is AMC doing? Holy crap! Sorry, I'm getting distracted by a thousand things distracting me right now. No, we do. I mean, I don't think so. We do DNA. We're analyzing DNA molecules, and we're analyzing the genome and seeing what translocations and variations are there. I don't think you can do a paternity test based on that, to my understanding. Don't think so. Fellowship of the Sapphire jock straps for our diamond balls next. I don't think Teespring offers that, my friends. If anyone's wondering how I put this whole website together, the only reason why I'm able to do this is because it's literally it's like idiot proof. The designs are idiot proof, and even then, even though it's like so simple to do with Teespring here, it still took me so long because I wanted to make sure that I actually got them to my house and made sure the complicated ones printed correctly, because I did not want this to freaking be wrong and then start selling, and that would have been a disaster. So I did not. So, but it's really simple to do. What was I even talking about? But yeah, no, they don't actually offer. I don't think they actually offer that, but they do offer a ton of stuff. Like I can do water bottles and like socks and stuff. I can do that. I've done that before. I haven't sold any, but I have made designs for those. 586 right now. All right, let's get out of here. Is there a rainbow color shine for LGBTQ++ investors? Rainbow color shine, you mean? I think. I don't think there is a rainbow color available. I made sure on all of these, I checked as many colors as possible because I figured there's 1,000. I want the most colors possible. Why not, right? You might as well. But there's not a rainbow option, my friend. I don't think there is. Did you create your page? Yes, I did. Yeah. Yes, I'm proud of it. I'm very proud of it. It's very unprofessional, right? Because literally the good design is at the very bottom. I don't think I know how to change that, but then again, I haven't played with it. But also, there's so many designs that are doubled. And also, I need to change the default color of white to something else because you can barely see the shirt. But whatever, it's good enough. Anyways, yeah, if y'all want to get one, there you go. I think the prices are pretty cheap. I don't know, relatively cheap. I mean, I guess they're average. What would you call these average prices? $25 for a shirt. You know what? Can I decrease those? I don't think I can, but yeah. I just did the average prices for them. But yeah, that's what we're looking at, man. Yeah, they're all sweet. Anyways, yeah, you guys, I don't need to freaking, I'm not a salesman. I'm not going to go salesman on you guys. I just called Robbie. The link isn't here. I'll go ahead. If anyone wants to, I'll put the link down there one more time. Here, let me refresh and make sure that's the right link. Okay, it is. All right. Link is in the chat right now, and then the link is also in the description. I'm not selling out. I'm not selling out. This is after everybody has left who wants to leave. So I'm not selling out. I still make, even if I were to get some sales here, I still make only a couple dollars an hour on YouTube. So don't worry about me selling out. And even if the channel were to get successful, which I'm sure it's not, if it were to, all the money's going straight back into BNGO. That's my promise to you guys. All right. You should change the prices to 5 BNGO shares per shirt. They're on sale right now. Yeah, that's true. I want that's as simple as it gets hoodie. Oh, take a shot every time I say it's simple. It's as simple as it gets, man. Oh God. What are my most common phrases that I say? As simple as it gets. I don't know. What you tell me. Should you use the dryer or pin it up in a clothesline in the backyard? That's for you to decide, my friend. You should change the. How many hoodies did you sell so far? I think I've sold like 5-ish in total, and I've technically been selling these. It's been up since like the start of the channel, and not the start, but like a month after. Probably like 5 months. This has been up. I've only had like 5 sales, but it's a legit company. It's the Teespring, the company that I like work with. I guess you could say work with. Okay, it's the most simple thing ever. I don't talk to them. It's very easy to do, but they are the most legit. This is what me, Kevin, uses. This is what pretty much every big YouTuber uses for their merch. So it's as legit as you can get. I've already had them ship like, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 shirts to me. So, and hoodies combined. Sell if you don't know what you're doing. Short ladder attack. As simple as it gets, sell if you don't know what you're doing. There we go. That's a good one. You're a legend. Yeah, there you go. Are you selling outside the USA? Yes. Yes, it should be able to. The shipping, yes, it should be. Yes, it is selling outside the USA. I'm 99% sure. It should be good to go. Yes. This is not investment advice. I don't want to brag here. Proceeds to sort of brag. Dude, I swear to God, you guys make it so fun for me. You guys are too damn funny. This is not investment advice. Proceeds. Wait, no, I don't want to brag here. Yeah, I did that earlier today, didn't I? I know exactly what you're talking about. I'm a dick sometimes. Sometimes, guys, when you've been wrong like for 2 weeks in a row, whatever. I'm not gonna justify myself, but sometimes a gamma squeeze imminent. Your top saying is Wall Street bets little. Oh baby. Yeah, oh, you're a legend. That one, I say that one a lot. Let me ask my wife's boyfriend if I can use the credit card to buy a shirt. I really want the green one. You can all leave now if you want. Oh man, short squeeze. The short interest data, right? I'm surprised no one did that. There was a couple weeks there where everybody just wanted to know the short interest data. That's all people cared about. Short interest data, short interest data. What the heck is going on with AMC? Holy crap! Wow. Can BNGO go up like that, please? Are there additional charges due to Brexit and the current sausage war? What? I don't understand. If you bought at 430, you'd be in the green right now. Yes, that's true. That's true. That's a funny dude. I should do a meme video on a compilation of me saying the same saying. Somebody should do that. Somebody should email me the file for you should, or you can post it to your own YouTube and YouTube video, and I'll post it as well. And you should do every single time I say it's as simple as it gets. There would be like 5,000 of them. I say it like every freaking day. I say it every hour. Not an hour goes by where I don't say it's as simple as it gets. I got that from Trey's Trades, if you didn't realize that already. I saw him saying that. I'm like, dude, I got to say that. It works so well. I don't want to brag. My average price is $5.92. These bears are so damn dogmatic. Yeah, that's true. That's definitely true. You need a barcoding shirt? Yeah, that's true. Brandon did an amazing job presenting your merchandise as simple as it gets. Oh, yeah, that's another. And we're barcoding again. Yeah. And manipulation, right? This is why we have such a good time. This is why this channel is going to... I mean, even if BNGO fails, the channel's fucking done, let's be honest. But if the channel were to succeed, that's why this is going to be the best community ever. Because it's such a good time. We have such a good time. Anyways... Even in making fun of myself, I find a way to brag. Somebody help me. Oh, God, somebody help me. Oh, NNDM pisses me off. Yeah, NNDM and microvision. Yeah, I know what you mean. Let me read some. This is too funny. Give me more. Give me more. Somebody make a compilation video of me saying it's as simple as it gets. Like 5,000 of them. Please. You know what? I'll do that. I'll do that one of these days. I'll do that on the weekend. That's so funny. And we're barcoding. Woo, baby. Yeah, barcoding. Yep, exactly. Yep. All right. With that being said, I feel like that at this point everybody's sick and tired of looking at my big ass forehead. So let's get out of here. Any last minute questions by any chance? Here, I'll go ahead and send the link down there one more time. One more time. I'm not a salesman. Okay. I'm not telling you to buy this shit. This is good. This is good quality, highly comedic material here and merchandise. And I'm wearing it right now. It's very cool. Let me see if I can actually copy and paste it. I always have trouble copy and paste it with the software that I use because it's stupid. There we go. Yeah. All right. If I do get an interview, got any question you want me to ask? Are you talking about with the CFO assistant or with the CFO? Is that what you're talking about? What are you talking about, my friend? I'm thinking of a picture of a guy's balls with the caption "market manipulation." Wait, what? I doubt anyone new here, but if so, oh yeah, that's a good one. Green Mustard, that's a good one. I say that all the time. I don't think there's anyone new here, but hypothetically, if there were, yeah, yep. Flex, thank you so much. Price for tomorrow, up or down? Up. I'm saying up, but I say up every day, so I literally say up every day. So for a mechanical engineer job, what do you want me to ask? You should ask if your engineering is going to be focused on Sapphire 2.0 or other things. Find out what they're designing. Go be our insider. Go do it, my friend, for the Fellowship of the Sapphire. Go find out if the nano nozzle is real. No, I'm kidding. Don't get the inside information. Okay. Wink, wink. No, I'm kidding. But go do what you will. I don't want inside information if you have it. I don't want it. Brandon disrespecting viewers. You guys probably don't even know about it. Cody, god damn it, you guys are too funny. I'm trying to end the streams and you keep making new quotes. It's too funny. Damn it. People that join in now as if we were getting in new viewers. Okay, we don't get new viewers here. Okay, but if we were, they would be so confused as to what the hell I'm talking about, right? Brandon, is this a stock channel or is this a damn merchandise salesman place? Like, what the hell? I understand your confusion. All right, let's finish it. Let's end the stream here. Let's end it here. Not telling you to buy this, but that's a good one. That's a good one. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Read the news, guys. Read the news. BNGO just signed with Microsoft Azure to increase throughput for clients. What? That's not true. What? What are you talking about? Do we have any good news from the company? Not really today. Today we don't. There is no news. Essentially, today there is no news unless there's a new listing here that's actually new, like legitimately new. This one was posted a day ago, but I remember seeing this, and this one was already up like months ago. Literally, it's been up for months. So, all right, thank y'all so much, man. Here's the portfolio. Thank y'all so much. All right. Oh, let me send you a link. Are you serious? All right, send me a link right now then. Send me a link on the Discord or the email or Reddit or anything. Completing building project. Oh, this is the another distributor. Cool. Well, it can't be a bad thing. It's a good thing. As long as these are legit organizations, which it looks to me that they definitely are. But yeah. All right. Why don't you do this with a shower head like Mr. Invest a lot? Like the camera? To be honest with you, because I don't know how. Also, I think I like this. I think I like this setup better, to be honest with you. Look at AMC manipulation right now. What? Oh, what is this? Okay, now this happens sometimes. It's like a glitch. But if it actually goes down right here, oh my God, there's AMC people are going to buy a shit ton because that's proven. The manipulators, I don't know if they understand. Every time they manipulate AMC, that just infuriates the apes more, and that makes apes want to buy more. And they do buy more because of this. I don't think they understand this. Somebody take a picture of my forehead right now and make a meme out of it. Look at the radius on that thing. Look at the freaking diameter. It's freaking huge. Just don't do the twisting thing that Mr. Investalot does, please. The twisting thing? What does that mean? Oh, like a microphone. Oh. I don't really know what you mean there either. I don't really know what you mean then. It's not new news. We already knew that BNGO was using an Azure platform, or however you pronounce that. All right. Well, send me the link. Feel free to send me the link. Yeah, BNGO's got manipulation going on as well. Well, at least unnatural price action, that's for sure. Anyways, all right, thank y'all so much, man. Let's get out of here. Here's the portfolio, and I'll see you guys later tonight. Thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.